JLPT in 5 Grammar Explanation, Lesson 15. Ichibang, verb te form plus moedes, or you may do. This expression is used to grant permission. For example, Shashin o totimoides, you may take pictures. To ask for permission, the question form of the sentence is used. For example, Tabako sotimoides ka? May I smoke? How to answer such a question using the same sentence pattern? Example, Kono katarugo o moratimoides ka? May I have this catalog? It is yo. Dozo. Yes, here you are. Sumimasen, chutto. Sorry, I'm afraid not. Nibang, verb T form plus wa ikimasen, or you must not do. This sentence pattern is used to express prohibition. For example, Koko de tabako sotti wa ikimasen. Kenyan desu kara. You must not smoke here because this is a non-smoking area. When you strongly wish to refuse permission to questions using the expression te form plus mo ii desu ka, you answer iie ikemasen, omitting verb te form wa. This expression cannot be used by an inferior to a superior. For example, Sensei, koko de asundi mo ii desu ka? May we play here, mom? Iie ikemasen. No, you must not. Sangbang, verb te form plus imas. In addition to the usage of verb te form imas, you learn in lesson 14, it is also used in describing a certain continuing state which resulted from a certain action in the past. For example, Watashi wa kekkon shite imasu. I'm married. Watashi wa Tanaka-san o shite imasu. I know Mr. Tanaka. Watashi wa Osaka ni sundeimasu. I live in Osaka. Watashi wa kamera o motte imasu. I have a camera. Motte imasu means be holding and possess as well. Yobang, verb T form imasu. For example, IMC wa computer so photo tsokute imasu. IMC makes computer software. This sentence expresses that IMC's habitual action is making computer software. Super de Firumo Utteimasu. Supermarkets sell films. This sentence indicates that selling films is a habitual action performed by supermarkets. Mira-san wa IMC de hataraite imasu. Mr. Miller works for IMC. This sentence shows that Mr. Miller's occupation is working at IMC. Imoto wa daigako de benkyou shite imasu. My younger sister is studying at university. This sentence expresses that studying at university is a regular activity for the speaker's younger sister. Gobang, shiremasen. The negative form of shiteimasu, meaning no, is shirimasen, meaning do not know. For examples, Shiyakusu no denwa bango o shiteimasu ka? Do you know the telephone number of the city hall? Hi, shiteimasu. Yes, I do. Iie, shirimasen. No, I don't. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. And see you in the next lesson. Mata ne!